Did you know that watching porn shrinks the size of our brain? Shocking, eh? Let me explain. Our brains are plastic. Plastic? Does that mean all the kurkure that we've been eating is sitting in our brain? No. By plasticity, we mean that our brain has the characteristic of changing its structure based on our experience. These changes can be short-term and sometimes long-term. When it's long-term, the very structure of our brain changes. When the mental input of pornography increases by leaps and bounds, our brain, the frontal lobe to be specific, shrinks in size. Our frontal lobe is what is responsible for our decision making, problem solving, self-control, motivation, etc. All these functions take a hit with this addictive behavior of watching porn. This is why we hear a person watching porn feeling dull, numb, and losing all interest in other aspects of life. They seem to lose pleasure in many things that are meant to bring pleasure. I can control the amount of time I watch porn, you may say, but that's where the deception lies. An average person cannot be that disciplined as watching porn for only a fixed amount of time a day. Why? Our brains hold the answer for it. Have you ever been on a diet where you resolved not to eat anything unhealthy? Let's say after a month of strict dieting, on your cheat day, you treat yourself to a bar of chocolate and the first bite of it gushes in an ocean of pleasure in your mouth. We experience pleasure because of a network in our brain called the reward center. Enter dopamine. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter that runs the show. When we encounter anything that is bound to give us pleasure, like eating biryani, receiving a compliment, winning a lottery, playing with puppies, etc., dopamine is released in the reward centers of our brain. Dopamine is also released when we engage in sexual behavior, virtual or real. When there's too little or no dopamine, we won't be able to enjoy any of these activities. But what happens if there's an overload of dopamine? We become addicted. And that is what happens when we watch pornography. Allow me to explain. When a person watches porn for the very first time in his life, dopamine is released in normal amounts and he experiences pleasure and he may want to watch it again and he continues to watch it day in and day out. At this point, dopamine in normal amount is not enough to give that same pleasure he has felt in the beginning. Large amount of dopamine is required to experience pleasure. So a 3-minute explicit video won't be enough anymore. Dopamine also wants new stimuli. So the old regular content ceases to give pleasure and the person moves on from softcore to more violent, voyeur and perverted kind of content to derive pleasure. This explains why the person spends hours and hours in a day watching porn just to get the pleasure he longs. This is also called tolerance. With this increased tolerance, an active sexual life with his partner fails to give him pleasure. With the dopamine overload and the shrinkage of the frontal lobe, which is responsible for self-control, the person finds himself addicted to pornography. We can't really stop with one video or regulate ourselves to watch porn for only a disciplined amount of time in a day because the mechanisms controlling willpower and self-control are broken and dysfunctional. God wants us to experience and enjoy pleasure, which is why He has placed the mechanisms like the reward center in our brain. Pleasure is pleasurable only when it's enjoyed within its boundaries. Our brains are wired that way. We can't mess that beautiful balance and claim to be leading healthy lives. That's just denial. The next time you want to open that incognito window in Google Chrome, let this video be a reminder for the cruel addiction that awaits us.